Hi everyone, it's Wednesday, April 29th, and today is going to be our first time we have a Google Meet session, and I will show you the times on the daily slide in just a second. But this link will be available just before your Google Meet session. So let's look at our daily slide and then we'll talk about that. So for today, Wednesday, you should have already copied and pasted in your outline. Obviously you have to type some of the things and put it in a different order within the paragraphs, but you can copy and paste most of the information, but you have to reorganize it. So if we look, oops, I just opened up the distance learning folder for the slides for all of distance learning, which I don't want to do that right now. But I did put that in there in case you need to go find a specific article or something. You can quick look at the slides. So if I go in today's Wednesday folder, here's the daily slides. I put on the video yesterday because someone asked me a question about finding the page number of the articles. So he was looking for a specific one, so I went and opened that one and I noticed there's a PDF. So I showed a video on how to find that. I put that in yesterday's and today's. Some of the kids did point out though that they cannot be all put in a PDF format. So if that's the case and you can't tell which page, that's fine. You can skip the page number. But going to the slide for today, since you should have by today typed in all your 5 paragraphs, you can begin to write your rough draft of your explanatory essay. If I make this big so we can read the meeting times today. So I have divided it up by period. So each class period has a certain time that the Google Meet session will be available. Period 1 is 9:30 to 9:50. Period 2 is 10 to 10:20. Period 3 is 10:30 to 10:50. Period 4 is 11 to 11:20. And period 5 is 11:30 till 11:50. So you will not see the link for this Google Meet until right before your time. I will publish it right before that, and then when the session's over, I will delete it. So this will be on every Wednesday until the end of the school year. We met as a 6th grade and we picked by subject which day each could have Google Meet, so we're not overlapping and you guys won't be burnt out on so many Google Meet sessions in one day. Okay. So you're going to use Revision Assistant, make changes on your paper so that either tonight or on Thursday have a parent read it and fill the checklist out. I included the checklist in this folder. So if I go back to the folder for today, how to use Revision Assistant. We've watched this before on how to figure it out and how to find it. But remember, you go up here and then you can see Springboard and you'll go into there. But watch the video again if you can't remember how to get in. We are doing Unit 2 Embedded Assessment 2 when you have to pick which Revision Assistant you're using. Here is the checklist that when you are using Revision Assistant and fixing your paper to make sure you have the different elements in your paper. So, oops, I just kind of scrolled too fast. But there's a little checklist, like the first one, you have a hook, transition, background information, thesis statement. Paragraph 2, 3, and 4 will all look the same. But here's the checklist that making sure you have this information in your paper. So use that. And then once you put it in Revision Assistant and it's all ready, either you can be early and start having a parent do it tonight. So then Thursday you can just make all the editing changes and stuff. Or you can sit down with your parent and then do it that way. You can look and make the changes right on there so it's ready to go. Since there's no school Friday and Monday, then it'll be due Tuesday, the final draft. But always make sure you read this week 5 daily English agenda for distance learning that I sent out. I sent it out on Monday afternoon, and it'll show you every day what we're doing for the week. So check that out to give you kind of an idea of what's the week. Again, please feel free to come to our Google Meet session. This way you can ask questions, get clarification, or just say hi because it's been so long since we've seen each other. So go ahead. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.